Dumating ang pera, hindi lang na-allocate. Has this ever happened? Malaki ang sales this month, pero by the time kailangan ng bayaran ang supplier, wala na pala ang pera. If you've asked yourself, paano nangyari ito? May business owner na ganyan din ang pinagdaanan. Let's call him Ferdy. He runs a distributorship, supplying grocery items to sari-sari stores and small retailers in his area. So from the outside, it looks solid. Active accounts, regular customers, consistent delivery cycle. But every time a major supplier payment came due, Ferdy found himself in the same uncomfortable position, short. Here is what was happening. Collections from his retailers came in small amounts, spread across the month, pero ang supplier payments, lump sum, fixed schedule, walang extensions. The money that came in araw-araw, hindi niya sineseparate. Lahat pumupunta sa iisang account. Operational expenses, salaries, fuel, personal withdrawals, halo ang lahat. Walang naka-allocate para sa supplier payment na darating. So, when the due date arrived, naghahanap na siya ng pera para pambayad. Ferdy tried to solve it by chasing more accounts, pushing more volume, but more sales without a system for allocation. Ibig sabihin nun, same cycle lang on a larger scale. The issue was never the revenue. The issue was the absence of a structure that told every peso where to go before it could go somewhere else. Anak, cash flow problems, hindi yan about earning less. Sometimes, ang pera nandoon naman, hindi lang na-allocate sa tamang oras, bago pa man nagastos. So, a business that earns well but allocates poorly will always feel like it is running out, kahit hindi naman totoo. Let's just continue to be business-minded, Pinoy. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.